Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming this is truly an emergency. Check the battery percentage and any urgent tasks. Once done, visually inspect the lightning port and cable for lint or corrosion. A quick flashlight check matters because debris blocks current. Next, switch to an Apple-certified cable or place the phone on a compatible wireless charger. This reduces variables. Make sure you avoid third-party power banks with unknown output. They can prevent the override from engaging or cause instability. You now focus on forcing the system into accepting charge. Enable low power mode and close background apps to lower power draw immediately. If charging won't start, perform a forced restart to reset the charging controller. This often clears transient firmware locks. Once the device reboots, connect the known good 5V/2 a charger or reliable wireless pad and watch for the charging icon. If you see a brief flash, leave it connected for at least 5 minutes so the battery management stabilizes. You finish by letting the iPhone sit connected for 10 minutes uninterrupted. The battery system needs that window to initialize safe charging. Once it shows adequate charge, resume normal use but monitor temperature. If it still refuses to charge, swap to another certified adapter or a computer USB port to isolate the source. If problems persist, gently clean the lightning port with a non-metallic pick and short bursts of compressed air. This often resolves contact issues without service.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.